Hi guys, so you've been asking like a lot of questions for me to do like a fidget collection, and I don't really have that much fidget, but I do have new fidgets because I fidget traded with my cousin, because my cousin actually came here 6 hours, because my cousin came here at like 1, and then my cousin ended up going home at 6. So yeah, let me get all of my fidgets because they are upstairs, and I'm gonna actually film it downstairs, because downstairs is the wardrobe. I put all of my fidgets because I have like way a lot. So let's go. Here's the sound hint. Oh, I just showed you it. Yeah. So let's go down. I got some new fidgets, actually, like fidgets, not just like poppets, and I'm really happy with them. So let's go. Okay. So I have way a lot, so I'm gonna put it in the ground. Oops. Okay, sorry, but first, starting with my jumbo poppet, I have this jumbo hexagon poppet. It's a normal jumbo size, and then I got this extra jumbo heart rainbow poppet, and I have this pastel rainbow trading board, which is actually like, I play like everything here. I play with my cousins with that, and I have like a lot of more fidgets that I'm just gonna show you guys right now. And then my new fidgets, I got a simple Dimple. It's very dirty because I don't know why. I'm just like, you can't actually see how dirty it is in the camera, but it's dirty, so I have to wash it. But I really like these simple dimples because they're just like, it's like a dimple, but it's simple because it's simple to hold. Oh my cat. And then I have another one, but I have this Dimple Spinner, little Dimple Spinner, and it's broken. So this still works, but this one is broken. Yeah. So this is like really good. Yeah. Then I have this wacky track. And then I have an infinity cube. And then I have less poppets because I kind of like traded them. So I only have 4, 5, 6. I have 6 poppets, and this is the first one. It's a foot poppet. And then I have this ice cream one. And it has letters on it. And then I have this Too Good side of green poppet. So that's all my fidgets. I know it's not much because I like almost like traded every one of them, but I'm just gonna rate my fidgets. So first, I rate this one. It's dirty and it's kind of hard, so I'm gonna give it a 8.5. I really like it. And then this, I don't really care. It's broken, but I do care, like 5 out of 10. So I'm gonna give this actually a 6.5. Yeah. This one, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because I really love wacky tracks and it's my first ever one. Oh yeah. And this one, I rate it, it's very plastic, but it's light, but it's kind of hard. So I'm gonna rate it a 7.5. But this is how it spins. If you wanna look at how it spins, here. This. Okay, so this is how it spins. Wait. You have to do it on this side because yeah. It looks really cool. And my cat is standing there because she loves to see the spin. And this one you can just you have to hold it because you cannot hold it. You cannot push it like that because it won't work. But I really like this simple dimple. And I really like this dimple spinner. And this I rate a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That one I rated 8.5. So these are all my fidgets. My Poppets. These are my fidgets. I'm gonna put all my fidgets in one box. And my infinity cube. And my wacky track. Done. I am real happy that I got new fidgets, but I kind of forget some of my trade because I only have 6 now. But I don't know. And now my cousin has a lot of Poppets, but I kind of do like this. And I'm planning to trade my foot Poppet, my rainbow foot Poppet, to my friend, my little sister. And yeah, let me just do the outro really quick. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for my cousin for giving me all of those stuff because they're actually I'm overpaid, but I overpaid for my dream idol, which is a wacky track. So it's actually good. Comment down below if you want some trading videos, or you can comment in my IG. I'll put it right here. Okay.